Metolius Balanced Rocks. There are several ways to make balanced rocks and hoodoos. There are many such formations all across the world. Most of them are found in relatively dry climates. These particular sculptures are the result of three distinct welded volcanic tuffs layered on one another and weathering away at different rates. Hoodoo tuff forms the lower section of the spires, with the Fly Creek tuff and the Turkey Ball tuff forming the balanced rocks on top. Welded tuff forms from hot volcanic ash blanketing an area and welding itself together due to heat. The degree of welding depends on how hot it was. The hoodoo tuff apparently fell as fairly cool ash. It is poorly welded and soft. The ash that formed the Fly Creek and Turkey Ball tuffs was apparently really hot, so these tuffs are solidly welded and hard. These tuff layers were deposited during a period of about 100,000 years, sometime between 6 and 7 million years ago, and long before any of the current Cascade peaks existed. These tuffs were erupted from some volcanic source, possibly a caldera, somewhere to the west along the current alignment of the Cascade Range. That source has yet to be investigated, but has clearly been completely eroded away. After these tuffs were placed as layers of stone, erosion began to do its work and much was worn away. To a degree, the harder layers on top protect the lower, softer layers of tuff from erosion. Despite that, the soft layers are still subject to erosion. The upper hard layers are then left unsupported and break off in chunks. Somewhere in this video you can see us standing on the edge of this hard upper layer. These chunks will then minimize the erosion directly under them, creating a supporting pillar of the soft tuff below. The pillar will eventually erode away and the hoodoo will topple. Then the hoodoo formation process begins again. You can see several pedestals that have lost their cap rocks, and many cap rocks lying about that have yet to develop their pedestals. Given current climatic conditions, it is estimated that erosion allows the columns to gain 1 foot of height every 1,000 years. The estimated age of these balanced rocks and columns is about 20,000 years. Before the land was invaded by Caucasians, Native American trails leading to and from hunting and harvesting lands across this area. Several of those trails followed the Metolius River. Legends tell stories of a significant collection of ghost rocks along these trails that were revered by Native Americans. That particular garden of ghost rocks, also known as hoodoos or balancing rocks, grows on a slope of the Metolius River Canyon. In addition to the legends of the natives, historic accounts mention this location in the 1855 Pacific Railroad survey headed by Lieutenant H.L. Abbott. In his survey report, Lieutenant Abbott described seeing pillars 25 to 30 feet high, capped with slabs of volcanic rock. This nest of hoodoos is on the side of a hill, and most of the balancing rocks are tilted downhill. Many have called them Oregon's best kept secret, and for the most part, their existence was purposely kept secret. The locations never showing on a map. The location remained a well-protected secret for many years until a forest fire in 2002 removed most of the vegetation, leaving the hoodoos much more visible. The Deschutes National Forest doesn't deny their existence, but they don't hand out maps showing their location either. Why the secrecy, you may wonder? Over the years, several of the pedestals have been toppled by vandals, destroying in a few minutes what took nature many thousands of years to create.